I put odor nails in the detergent, and my family and neighbors were shocked by the incredible results. Some time ago, I discovered a homemade recipe that has left my family and neighbors shocked by its incredible results. If you prepare it at home, I assure you that everyone will ask you for the recipe. So, I'm excited to share with you the steps to prepare this wonderful solution with a few ingredients that you probably already have at home. Odor nails, in addition to being used as a condiment in the kitchen, have very effective aromatic and repellent properties. They are known for their ability to scare away mosquitoes and at the same time release a delicious aroma. The first thing we will do is take a container and place a few odor nails in it. Then we will add half a liter of water and bring everything to a boil. It is important that we let the nails boil for approximately 5 minutes to release their properties properly. After that time, we will remove the container from the fire and let the mixture rest for a few minutes. Once the solution is ready, we will transfer it to a spray bottle to facilitate its application. Now comes the creative part, where we will add other ingredients that will enhance its effectiveness. We will add a bowl of aromatizer for floors, which will help to maintain a fresh and scented environment throughout the house. We will also add a cup of white vinegar, known for its disinfectant and deodorant properties. Finally, we will include 2 tablespoons of liquid detergent to improve the adhesion of the mixture to the surfaces and enhance its repellent effect. We close the bottle and shake vigorously to make sure that all the ingredients are mixed properly. Once prepared, this wonderful homemade air purifier and repellent will be your best ally in the fight against unwanted insects and unpleasant smells. My house has been free of bugs, and the persistent smell of dog and cat urine that used to impregnate the carpet is no longer a problem. In addition to its effectiveness indoors, this preparation is also ideal for applying it outdoors. You can spray it in your room, in the bathroom, in the kitchen, and wherever you want to eliminate bad smells and keep the environment free of flies, mosquitoes, and cockroaches. Something that I love about this recipe is how economical and easy it is to prepare. The ingredients are accessible and the process will not take you long. In addition, since it is a natural solution, you will not have to worry about toxic chemical products. If you have come this far, leave me the phrase, "house without mosquitoes," so I will know that you saw the whole video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, so you can continue to enjoy all our tips.